have a wonderful and exciting new class that I think you'll love. This is Intermediate Abstract. I want to take you through your painting journey, teaching you about composition, which is one of the most important and basic things in abstract art. It's very important to get educated in composition, and I'm going to teach you how to do that as we create 9 amazing paintings. And what we're going to do is break that down into 3 mini collections. I always say abstract art is about layering, so we're definitely going to be doing a lot of layers, but in brand new techniques that you haven't done yet in my other courses. I'm going to teach you techniques on how you can maintain a nice, crisp, clean, fresh background within your art. I'm excited to show you how to work with various tools like palette knives and different size brushes, and also our fingers. So I'm going to open your eyes to a lot of different techniques when it comes to abstract art, and we're going to have a lot of fun creating a beautiful collection of abstract art. I hope this intrigues you enough for you to come enjoy my class and learn a little bit more about how to create beautiful abstract paintings. My name is Yvette St.Amant, and I'm really excited to have you come join me in this course.